On the 16th of April 1746, the Battle of Culloden took place near Inverness in Scotland, ending the Jacobite Rising of 1745. Welcome to History Pod. The Jacobite army, composed mainly of Scottish Highlanders, sought to restore the Stuart dynasty to the British throne. Charles Edward Stuart, known as Bonnie Prince Charlie, had launched a campaign to reclaim the throne for the House of Stuart. Known as the Jacobites, he led his Highland forces deep into England before retreating back to Scotland due to a lack of reinforcements. By early 1746, government forces led by the Duke of Cumberland had reached Scotland, forcing the Jacobites to make a stand at Culloden. At the start of the battle, government artillery bombarded the Jacobite lines. After enduring heavy fire, the Jacobites, numbering approximately 6,000 men, launched a charge against their numerically superior enemy, but the wet ground slowed their advance. Consequently, the government troops, using disciplined volleys of musket fire and bayonet tactics, inflicted heavy casualties. The Jacobite lines broke, and within an hour the battle ended in a decisive victory for the government forces. Culloden was the last pitched battle fought on British soil. The defeat ended Jacobite hopes of restoring the Stuart monarchy, and Charles Edward Stuart lived in exile for the rest of his life. Meanwhile, the British government strengthened its control over Scotland and began to suppress Highland culture through measures such as the banning of traditional dress. Meanwhile, 3,500 Jacobites were indicted for treason, of whom around 900 were pardoned. Nevertheless, 120 were executed, while hundreds more died while awaiting trial. The remainder were transported to the colonies.